What you doing, puss? You like the singing, don't you? Yeah. So, what song are we gonna sing? Eh? What song are we gonna sing? You like the position of the little speaker on top of the 1955 projector? Oh, it's a bit random around here, like. But anyway, rise up this morning with the no, I've got the fucking words wrong already. Oh, never mind. Let's see what we've got here. That's a bit too fucking light, like. Catch code, no. It's gonna fuck us. No. Oh, what should we do? Not going well, man. Collect. That'll do. Oh, it never gets you repeat, like. But anyway, rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, each by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry. That's the song I was meant to sing before. About a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning with the spotlight. Whatever, man. You know, I got it right some of the time. Get a little bit banded play and a bit Bob song. You know,